Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiger Clifford. I'm the beauty behind the channel. If you're a new subscriber, I'm saying kisses to you guys. Thanks for subscribing, clicking, you know what I'm saying. Thank you. And if you're a former subscriber, oh my god, come get some sugar. Thanks for being loyal to me. Thanks for clicking on this video. So let's just go right into what I'm here for. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a product review for some of my favorite hair products. This time around I'm going to be doing for a product that I just started trying out last year, and I wanted to try it out for at least 6 months before I'll give a review on it. And the name of the product is Mega Hair Growth. Last year December, Mega Growth was doing Christmas box where they go around distributing their Christmas box containing their products to different people on Instagram. You know, if they see that you have an amazing hair, they would send a package to you. So I was lucky enough to get one of their Christmas box. Inside the Christmas box, they have a relaxer, their leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, their growth oil, and set of combs. And so I gave myself 6 months before I would do a review on this particular product. And it's already 6 months. I'm December, January, February, March, April, May. It's for more than 6 months. We're in June already. Voila! Where's the front? Yeah. It's their leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so I'm going to review this first, then I'll review the At first, I was afraid that it was only for relaxed hair because most of their products are more of on the relaxed side than natural hair, if you notice. So if you go through their page, you realize that most of the people you see have relaxed hair. So I was a bit worried that would it, help, would it work for my natural hair? And actually did. So it helped with this to soften my hair. If you know me well, you know I always thread my natural hair before I sleep. So before I sleep, I usually put this, I rub it in, and I thread my hair. And then when I noticed that every time I remove the thread, my hair is very soft, so the moisture is still in there, and it's all thanks to this. So for their Mega Hair Growth, their leave-in conditioner, it's actually a strengthening strengthener. Jesus. It's a strengthener. So it's a leave-in conditioner that helps to strengthen hair. If your hair is weak, if your hair is falling off, it will help to strengthen it. The strongest benefit of this is to strengthen your hair. If you have a weak hair, if you have a hair that is breaking, this is your go-to. So we're going in now with the deep conditioner. If you're a natural person and you haven't deep conditioned your hair before, there's a problem, because you cannot have an amazing hair without deep conditioning. So for someone like me, I am not a fan of the natural hair, the natural ingredients deep conditioning, the one where you use egg, honey, avocado, something powder, something this. I'm not a fan. So I rather stick to the already mixed one because it's easier, 1, less stressful, 2, 3, not everything is original. You have to avoid the fake. 4, so it's like it dehydrates your hair whenever I use those type of things. So, and I've noticed it from time, because I've been keeping my hair for like 2.5 years now. So I've noticed what works for my hair and what doesn't work for my hair. But since I got this for free, let's be enjoying free things. So I was like, oh, let's just focus on using just one particular brand, and then if this brand doesn't work for me at all, you move to the next, not mixing of products. So I stuck to their brand. So I just dyed my hair about 2 weeks ago, and after dyeing your hair, dye always dehydrates your hair. It takes away all the moisture from your hair. Do you get? So it is best for you that make it after you dye your hair, you make sure you deep condition and use protein treatment. So this was what I was using when I dyed my hair. Immediately I dyed my hair, I just applied my deep conditioner and put up my steaming cap for like 30 minutes to strengthen my hair, and it worked perfectly for me. It helped me get my moisture back, helped me make my hair feel very silky, because dye makes your hair very dry, and you need to be very careful. If you already have a 4C type of hair, when dyeing your hair, you must treat it after, or else you're not gonna like how it's gonna look after some time. But then if you are a 4A, 3C person like me, because I fall under the 2. So for someone like me, my hair is very wavy and coily at the same time, so I best use this. I just stick to this. Either I use this or I use olive oil mayonnaise. That also works. This actually works. And then if you haven't gotten this, you can go to any mall and just pick up one and try it out. You know, give yourself a break from all the mixtures. And then on to my next product. So it is their Mega Growth Oil. So I'm sure you must have seen this if you go to the mall regularly, if you're a hair person. So if you like to keep the reason why I like this oil is because, number one, oil is a necessity. I repeat myself again, oil is a necessity. You must, if you're a natural, if you're any type of hair, you must always have oil in your hair. Your hair cannot afford to be dry. It cannot afford to be dry, because the minute it is dry, you set way for dandruff, itchy scalp, you know, split ends and the rest, and that's not healthy for hair. Especially those that are in transition from relaxed hair to natural hair, you need this oil. For those who actually relax their hair a lot, you need this oil. For those who don't relax their hair a lot also, you need this. And for those that are on natural hair, that are having breakage, split ends, dry scalp, itchy scalp, and for the reason why I'm saying is because people that use a lot of heat, maybe you want to set your hair, you want to straighten your hair, you need this oil to avoid the breakage, because straightening of hair, heat destroys hair. Honestly, for natural hair, relaxed hair, anyone, when I was on relaxed hair, too much of straightening affected my hair. Now that I'm on natural hair, I try as much as possible to avoid entering dryer or using a hair straightener or using a blow dryer, blah blah blah. Any heat, even steaming cap, I avoid it as much as possible. But when I have to do it, I always make sure that I am done, I apply my growth oil, because it would help silk my hair, it would help give it moist, and it will help my scalp from being dry. Because the minute your scalp is dry, that's the root of your hair, it begins to break and it affects the whole hair. So the minute I take, like, immediately I wash my hair, and it's, you know, when you wash your hair is dry, I section it into like 6. I take one section, I apply my leave-in conditioner, I apply this oil, and I apply Ori at the end just to lock it, because Ori is shea butter. It's supposed to lock all the ingredients that you put in your hair, all the oil, the moisture, everything, the water, just to lock it in. And this is not a paid partnership. I'm not doing it because I want to get more products from them, even if I don't mind. I've been getting a lot of Tega, what do you use? I need this for my hair, what do I use for my hair? So I didn't want to push this out too much yet, because I wanted to be sure that it would work for me, and I gave it 6 months. And in 6 months I have seen improvements in my hair. I mean, I've dyed my hair twice in 6 months, and I expected so much breakage, so much cutting, split ends and the rest, and it hasn't been bad actually. So I actually really appreciate Mega Growth products. So it doesn't, and I just want to make it clear that it works for natural hair as well. I was in doubt as well at the beginning, because I actually went to research on their product, and I realized that I hardly used to see natural hair on their page at all. So I was actually very worried. But after 6 months, I think my mind is really settled, and you actually need to get their product if you haven't gotten that and you really want your hair to so grow. If you know that you are a natural hair person, you adore natural hair, you love natural hair, you can waste money on natural hair just to grow your natural hair, I think I got you covered. You want to know what it is? Ta-da! Ewo. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? Secret weapon. It is in the process of fermentation, if that is a word at all, but this is fermenting, sha. So this is called rice water. It is my baby. Rice water is one of the best way of growing your natural hair. It is one of the fastest way of growing your natural hair. I went researched on rice water. I had heard about this 2 years ago, but I was doing it then, but I wasn't very regular with it. I stuck more to onions than rice water. Onions did a very good job with my hair, and in my easiest way to dye my natural hair, one of the first videos I uploaded, I already spoke about onions. Rice water of late has been my go-to. I started this treatment 2 months ago. You can do this 2 ways. This is one way, where you just put the raw rice inside a bottle like this and pour water in it and leave it for like a week. It will ferment. The other way is to boil it, parboil. So you boil with the first water, and then when instead of throwing that water away, you pour it inside a bottle and leave it for 48 hours. It depends on you, but I prefer to do it this way. I don't know why, but every time I apply it, I either use it through, because I noticed that my edges and the back of my hair has been really cutting, and I think it's because of the Ghana weaving that I have been doing. So I decided to use the rice water. So 2 months ago I started the treatment. I would take it in cotton wool and dap it, rub it at all the edges, all my edges, leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off. And I realized that after a month, I did this at least 3 times in a week for a month. After a month of doing that, the back of my hair, I shocked. That was when I knew that I gotta stick to rice water. And I kept on using on my hair. I would massage it into my hair. After shampooing, I'll pour the rice water into my hair, wrap it up, leave it for 30 minutes, 1 hour. Sometimes I leave it overnight, it depends on my mood. And the next morning I just wash it off and condition my hair, apply my leave-in conditioner, my essential oil, and I twist my hair immediately. And that's one of the protective styles for natural hair, because I really don't like leaving my natural hair out immediately after I wash it, because it just shrinks. So I rather twist it or thread it or mat it, plait all back, just to leave it flying out. Maybe after I dyed my hair, I did it again, because I need my hair to grow. I did not see I did not see natural hair pay me. Kilo day, I did not Nigerians. Means I must have long hair. Understand what I'm saying? So rice water, my bae. Onions, my lover. Onions is my lover. Me and onions, we had together. So if you want to know more about onions and Tega, you need to let me know, because I would not put it up until people actually want me to put it up. So please try out rice water. All you have to do is either you do it this way or you parboil and keep the water for 2 days. I prefer to do it this way because I may not use it for quite a long time, and the more it ferments, better for me. So I leave it this way to help my hair grow. So after using rice water, most of the time I like to just apply my deep conditioner just for like 10 to 15 minutes, just to, in case of, because of the starch, it would dehydrate my hair, just to keep the moist in it. That's actually all. And then please guys, once in 6 months, please don't forget to use protein treatments. I would advise that you use Afro-G protein treatment. It is amazing. Do not, I repeat, do not forget to use protein treatment. Either you use any of these 3, Care protein treatment, you use Afro-G protein treatment, or you use Nature's Gentle Touch protein treatment. Those 3 are my go-tos, and those are the 3 I would recommend for people that believe in me and know what my journey is for natural hair. I would never recommend something I haven't tried before. That is why I waited 6 months before I came out here to do a review for Mega Hair. So guys, that is all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know, just click on the button. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And I really like the fact that I'm getting a lot of responses from my videos. It was a bit, the traffic on my side was a bit dead, but now it's revived and it's hitting, and I'm really liking it. And I just want to say thank you for those that have been watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So I have much more coming for you guys. So you have to stay tuned and you have to subscribe, and don't be selfish. Share. Tell your people about me. Kisses to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.